Last time when we talked, you shared that you are also a product of international education. I know you're originally from Hungary and you have so much experience now in Germany. Let's run a little comparison. By the way, when was the time when you moved to Germany as an international student? How many years ago was that, roughly?
So it will be exactly 20 years ago in this September.
Perfect.
Um,
20 years. I want you to think about something that mattered to you as an applicant then. And now we think about the applicants in 2026 and beyond. What is something that today's applicants are worried about and it matters to them that simply didn't exist 20 years ago for the applicants of your generation?
oh wow, I think this comparison is impossible to make because the world has changed so much. Probably, I mean, it was a paper-based application 20 years ago, and you can't compare the two worlds. I think if we compare maybe what has happened 5 years ago and how we are processing applications now, that gives an additional value and added value for the audience. You know, the generation Z that we are dealing with and the generation Alpha, upcoming generations, have a completely different expectations in terms of the technology, in terms of the turnaround times, in terms of the communication channels that we use in during our admission process. Sending an email is very, very old school. The students usually expect us to use those channels in communication that they are familiar and comfortable with, and that obviously creates a challenging environment for a lot of institutions. We have quite rigorous data protection regulations in Germany, but also in terms of how many systems we can embed and include in this complex applicant journey. So I always refer to the fact that every intake is almost a new generation of student with different expectations. And we are the constant in this game, but our clients are constantly changing. So we need to adapt fast. We need to take it into consideration what are do's and don'ts in terms of data protection and how we can, simplify our processes and make sure that we help the applicants to find their dream study program, but also maintain high academic and admission standards during the selection process.